In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Xbox Series X shell. This process is moderate, so it can take a while, but as long as you follow all of these instructions and reference images, you will be able to do it yourself. So to start, uncover the back panel screws. You will have to remove certain stickers to display them, so keep that in mind. So remove these screws at the back. Once they are removed, unclip the back panel. You should start with one corner and then move to the other. Use a specialized tool to pry it open. So after you pry it open, you can finish this with your hands. So grip the back panel at the opening that you created and pull it up and away from the shell to unclip the long edges. With this done, the internals will now be exposed. Remove the fan screws. So these are going to hold the fan in place. Once you have them removed alongside this connector, which you should carefully remove using tweezers, you will be able to pull out the fan with your hands. Now unlatch the base that you see here and twist and remove the base itself. So twist counterclockwise and remove it. Once you have it removed, get rid of these screws here. So one for the optical drive and another one on this side. And remove the vibration isolator. You can do this with your hand, so pull it open. After it has been removed, disconnect the power and data cables and remove the optical drive itself. So just pull it up where you remove the cables. After this, disconnect the USB port cable. Again, you should use some specialized tool like a spudger and carefully remove this ribbon cable. Disconnect the power button cable as well, very carefully, and remove the chassis screws that you see here, so 3 this time, colored green. Next, peel up the USB port cable and remove the center chassis assembly. You can do this with your hands as well. Next, you will have to separate the power button cable. The power button cable is adhered to the shell with pieces of mouth adhesive, so you can use something like a hairdryer to get it out. With this done, remove the power button board screws, so these screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and take it apart with your hands. Once it has been removed, separate the USB board cable and remove the USB enclosure screws. So there is going to be one at the back and some are going to be connected from the inside. Just make sure that you remove all of them, and finally you can remove the USB enclosure itself. With all of this done, you will be left with only this shell. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Xbox Series X shell. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.